Here we are looking at a rebuilt Brauer mixer. The capacity on this mixer is 1,200 pounds, depending on what you are mixing. We have completely rebuilt this unit. We have installed new flighting. The motor has been rebuilt. The unit has been sandblasted and painted. And new belts have been installed. Here you can see the serial tag. You can see that the unit is equipped with inspection windows and it has lift points. Unit is equipped with this grate over the end feed, and the end feed does swivel, so you can move it, and then you load your bag here. This is the discharge of the mixer. Has the trap door here. The overall height of the mixer is 94 inches. The overall width on this side with the motor is 60 inches, and then the depth going this way is 48 inches. Here you can see we have the unit running. Everything is in order and running as it should. The unit runs nice and quiet, smooth. We put all new bearings on the unit. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.